morning. Ito na siya.
Hanggat maaga pa.
Yes. Dito kami ngayon sa May Bataan, sa Alangan, Bataan, para magtanim ng mangrove. Mating kami ng 4 something? 4:40 something? 4:34. Ngayon, tapos na ang orientation. So, punta na kami ng mangrove swamp para magtanim.
1,000 seeds daw, tama.
1,000 seeds.
Oo.
So, kita natin mamaya kung anong itsura ng lugar doon. Ayan. Wish us good luck. Hindi sa bakit ang tuhod na.
First time to, grabe.
Bye! Ay, ano na? Kaya pa ba, MJ?
Kaya pa naman. Start pa lang naman eh. So,
Start pa lang yun?
walang susukong, wala pa tayong natatanim din.
Yeah, pero sumama nga kami sa pusa. Ayun yung pusa sa likod eh. Bakit alamin sa inyo, ha?
Yung...
One, two, three. Yun o.
Diba? Ganyan-ganyan lang yun. Ganyan ang buhay. Sarap pag pusa. Ayan, so nakakuha na kami ng mga seedlings. So,
Dalawa para
yeah.
yung iba makapagtanim din.
Yeah. So may konting may konting orientation kung anong gagawin. Hindi lang basta-basta tusok ng tusok. Minsan nag-iisip din, oo. Libre naman 'yun. Yan, so nagpalit na kami ng slippers. Pero di siya slippers eh. Beach shoes. Ayan. So, baba na kami doon.
Sama ka? Bota kaya.
Ba't di ka nagbota?
Magbota na nga ako.
Magpalit ka na, Bi. Ayan na. With OM at the background. Kami po ay pupunta na.
Ay, naku, buti na lang itong dinala ko.
Uy! Uy! Very good ako dito sa part na to, oy. Light pa yung kulay niya. Very good. Oh. Aroy, aroy, aroy. Kaya pa ba dyan, MJ? Uy!
Maano talaga siya.
Ay, oo nga. Sorry po sa mga suso na naapakan. Hindi po namin sinasadya. Ayan po. Si MJ with OM at the background. Medyo dusa much. Opo. Medyo nagdudusa po kami ng very very light. Parang pinag-iisipan po namin yung mga desisyon namin sa buhay. Ba't ba kami sumama? Hindi, charot lang.
Clean up, kaya dinala ko to. Yun pala ganito nadaanan natin, hindi ko alam.
Ayan po. Survivor Philippines.
Oo.
Smile, smile. Yeah, yeah. We're gonna do this one the very right way. Trap. Oh, really? Woke up in the morning with the sunshine. Nice. Animated birds on my power line. There they go. Mapping out my life, cause it's by design. By design. Checking on my friends, hope they doing fine. Nice. And all my fake friends put me on the shelf. I worry way less when I'm by myself. Yeah. But you can always call me if you need my help. I got the type of love that you never felt. Okay, all day, let me demonstrate. Throw bad vibes at my feet, I'ma levitate. My trajectory, yeah, good, I would never change. I'ma be me, even if I look strange. I be focused on life with no pain. Make a day from the night, cause I brought paint. I've been through hell, but for heaven's sake, I'm in my lemon car, sipping lemonade. I think I found my groove. I think I found my way. I think I found my mood. I think I found my way. Walking across the moon. I think I found my place. I think I found my mood. I think I smile today. Yeah. Everybody's showing money, I just show teeth. Yeah, that special type of riches that you can't beat. I got the special currency that you can't see. That special kind of happy, feel it in your feet. Tap, 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 stars in my backpack. Every time I get down, I'ma always snap back. Stepping on the planets just to get my little lift back. And if they acting like Uranus, tell them kiss that. Rest assured, I'm superb, I'm secure, I'm the cure. They will learn my trust, they'll earn. Haters confirm, that's not mine.
Okay ka na dyan, D?
Okay na, B.
You survive?
Oo naman. Nahirapan lang tayo sa pag-spot. Kasi matigas yung
Kailangan mo siyang idiin ng
sa
bonggang-bongga.
O
Ganun.
hindi siya ganun kadali.
Kala nyo madali ha?
Oo.
Time slows down when you're around. Feel the rhythm of our hearts pound. In the quiet we find a groove. Lost in love, no need to move. It's a love, no need to move. It's a lazy weekend, just you and me. Wrapped up in pink blankets, under the sheets. Lost in the moment, in our own dream. In this lazy weekend, we're wild and free. Coffee stains on the table. Lazy kisses, we're unable to escape this cozy bubble where we're lost in each other's troubles. Time slows down when you're around. Feel the rhythm of our hearts pound. In the quiet we find a groove. Lost in love, no need to move. It's a love, no need to move. It's a lazy weekend, just you and me. Wrapped up in